high grade, sipping on my liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor.
So guys, welcome back again. I hope you watched my last video. I did a papaya tea to help you with digestion and give you flat stomach. So I will be using whatever is left of from this papaya seed to make you hydrating mask that will help to slough off of the dead skin, leaving your skin extra hydrated, extra subtle. And also this mask is suitable for every skin type, dry, oily combination. Anybody can use this mask and it's very inexpensive. So let's jump down into making this papaya mask. So I am doing everything local. I'm still using my mortar and I'm going to be adding, in this bowl is the papaya seed, and I just put a little bit of the flesh of the papaya. This contains a whole lot of pippin, a special enzyme that leaves your skin extra moisturized and hydrated. So I combine the two of them together. If you have blender, use blender. It's faster in the blender, but I just wanted to use this. I feel like not everybody have electricity all year round, so you can easily do this. After you have blended it together, you want to put it in a container, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of honey to give your skin extra hydration, vibrant, and moisturize your skin. So you add 1 teaspoon of honey, you blend it all together, and I will also be using 1 teaspoon of yogurt, natural yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, use milk. Lactic acid will always brighten your skin, give you that youthful skin. This is what it looks like when you mix all the 3 ingredients together, and now it's time to apply it on your skin. So I will be using the brush to apply it right on my skin, all over. It helps to tighten your skin and exfoliate your skin, taking care of removing all the dead skin on the surface of your own skin. I always like to remind you all the time not to forget your neck area. You cannot do your face and not your neck. So leave it on for half an hour. After half an hour, go ahead and wash it off. You wash it off. Even now, I'm beginning to feel the tightness, the pulling together of the skin. You can do this 2 or 3 times a week. The leftover should not stay in the fridge for more than 48 hours because it contains lactic acid, and if you don't close it up tightly, it begins to lose the strength. So if you have money, if you don't have money, you can still look good. There are things behind your backyard in the local market that you can use to have that youthful skin. So wash it off, and thank you guys for sharing, thank you guys for viewing, thank you for subscribing. I will definitely see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor.